Bienvenidos a mi canal, donde aprender español es fácil, entretenido y muy útil. My name is Señor Brigs. Mi nombre es Señor Brigs. I'm a fully certified Spanish teacher, and I'm also a native speaker of Spanish with years of teaching experience across South America, Spain, and Australia. Today, I'm going to show you 3 powerful and natural ways to say I'm going to in Spanish. And no, it's not just voy a all the time. Why this matters? You see, if you only use voy a for everything, you're doing what every beginner does. And that's fine at first. But if you want to sound more fluent, more natural, and more like a native Spanish speaker, you'll want to mix it up a bit. So let's fix that by learning not 1, not 2, but 3 different ways to talk about the future, each with its own tone and style. Parte número 1. The classic voy a plus the infinitive. Let's start with the basics. The one you already know. Voy a plus the infinitive. Yes, this is the most common way to say I'm going to do something in Spanish. Here's the formula. Voy a plus any verb in infinitive. For example, voy a estudiar esta noche, which means I'm going to study tonight. Voy a cocinar algo rico. I'm going to cook something delicious. This form is super useful for near future plans because it's casual, it's friendly, and it's great for everyday use. Now, here's a pro tip for you. Native speakers say this fast, so it sounds like voy a estudiar, not voy a estudiar. Notice the difference? Voy a estudiar. You almost join the words together. Voy a estudiar. Parte número 2, the real future tense. Now, let's level up. Spanish actually has a real future tense, and it's perfect for more formal situations, for predictions or even promises. Here's the pattern. Here's the little formula for you. For are, and ir verbs, you just add these endings to the whole verb. Has, a, hemos, es, han. For example, estudiaré mañana. I will study tomorrow. Te llamaré mañana. Te llamaré más tarde. I'll call you later. This sounds more certain, more serious, like when you say, don't worry, I'll take care of it. No te preocupes, lo haré. Voy a, near plans. Future tense, certainty, promises or more distant events. Parte número 3. Present tense to talk about the future. Surprise, sorpresa. In Spanish, we often use the present tense to talk about future events, especially scheduled ones. Think, for example, about trains. Think of trains, appointments, or events that are locked in. For example, la película empieza en 10 minutos. The movie starts in 10 minutes. Mañana trabajo desde casa. Tomorrow I work from home. This is so common in everyday speech. You'll sound like a native if you say, ¿A qué hora sales mañana? What time are you leaving tomorrow? Instead of, ¿A qué hora vas a salir mañana? Look, both are correct, but one sounds smoother. Errores comunes, common mistakes. Okay, so let's clean up a few common errors that you must be aware of. Voy a estudiar. No, you must include a voy a estudiar. Mixing tenses randomly. Don't say, yo voy haré eso. That's a Frankenstein sentence. Choose one form based on your intention and tone. So if you want to sound casual, use voy a. Want to make a promise? Use the future tense. Talking about a schedule, present tense works perfectly. Okay, so do not despair if you feel a bit lost a little bit. We're going to practice a bit to reinforce what we've learned. Practice time. Okay, your turn. Tu turno. Try to translate these sentences into Spanish. Pause the video if you want to try on your own first. I'm going to visit my grandmother. I'll help you with that later. The meeting starts at 4. Here are the answers. Voy a visitar a mi abuela. Te ayudaré más tarde. La reunión empieza a las 4. Comment below which one you use the most. Listo, amigos. Now you know 3 awesome ways to say I'm going to in Spanish. And you are no longer stuck with the just voy a, which is so overly used. If you learned something new today, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new lesson. Want the PDF, the summaries, the vocabulary list, and extra downloads? Check my website at learnspanishworld.com and access the collection of Spanish PDFs. I add the new PDFs every single week. You will be able to keep up with all the lessons and download them, print them if you also want to do so. Muy bien, amigos, hasta pronto y recuerda, hablar español es más fácil de lo que crees. Chao, chao. Chao, amigos. Cuídate. If you watch my video till the very end, that truly shows that you are determined to learn Spanish. I wanted to invite you to join my VIP membership. It will give you access to a wide range of resources. Alternatively, you can also visit my website, learnspanishworld.com. I'm currently uploading a lot of new resources. Check it out.